Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your Power BI dashboards up a notch, you're absolutely in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a dynamic percentage measure and display it using the gauge visual in Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to compare metrics like profit and sales with an eye-catching gauge, making your data jump off the screen for both you and your audience. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Power BI open and your data loaded up. If you're not sure where to start, just fire up Power BI Desktop and open your project or connect to your data if you haven't already. Having those numbers ready is important because we're about to create something really insightful. Once you're inside your Power BI workspace, look at the top navigation bar and select Home. It's that very first tab up at the top, and it gives you access to all the essential options. This is like the welcome mat in Power BI. Everything you need to start building out your report is right here. Next, we're going to add a gauge visual to our report. To do this, simply click on the gauge icon in the Visualizations pane. That's the set of visuals on the right side of your screen. The gauge looks kind of like a speedometer in a car, which is a great metaphor because it's designed to show progress toward a goal, just like your car's speed tells you how fast you're moving. Once you click it, you'll see a blank gauge pop up on your report canvas. Don't worry if it looks empty right now. We're about to light it up with some powerful insights. Now here comes the magic. Instead of building a complex formula from scratch, we're going to use a really handy feature called Quick Measure. Quick measures in Power BI are like having a helpful assistant. They let you instantly create advanced calculations without memorizing all the DAX formulas. Look under the Home tab for the option labeled Quick Measure and click it. If it takes a second to pop up, that's totally normal. In the Quick Measure window that appears, you'll see a list of calculation types. Scroll through and select Percentage Difference. This is the calculation that's going to show you, for example, how much your profits have increased compared to your sales. In other words, what percentage difference there is between these two metrics. It's one of those numbers that packs a punch. In just one glance, you get a sense of performance and growth. Now for the next step, you'll need to add the specific fields we want to compare. In this case, add your profit field as the base value and sales as the comparison value. If your fields are named slightly differently, no worries, just use whatever matches your dataset. Drag each field into its respective box. This little bit of setup tells Power BI exactly what numbers to crunch together for your percentage. And just like that, you've set up a percentage measure inside your report. If you return to your gauge visual and drag this new measure onto your value field, you'll see the gauge immediately update to reflect the percentage difference between profit and sales. It might take a moment for Power BI to calculate everything, especially if you have a big dataset, so give it a second. That's really it. You now have a gorgeous interactive gauge that tells a clear, impactful story at a glance. This kind of visual can totally change the way stakeholders see your data and make decisions. It's clear, intuitive, and instantly actionable. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on new tutorials. See you in the next one.